Hey, welcome guys. Welcome to my Leetcode solving section. Hope you guys subscribe to my channel. So today let's solve in this 205, find the minimum maximum number of nodes between critical points. So critical point is a link that defines either local maximum or minimum. Local minimum maximum means that should be greater than the previous node and next node. And the local minimum if the current node has a value degree smaller than previous node and next node. Maybe let's see it. So this is the local minimum, right? And this is the local maximum. Okay. And the local minimum and maximum if there exists both the previous node and next node. So that means least, right? If your node start from here, then neither than are critical, right? And also this one, right? So neither than are critical. So only the middle one, right? Suppose you have a list, you have the linked list, then only these nodes are considered can be critical. Okay, so you have a linked list, and you need to find a minimum distance and maximum distance between the. So minimum distance is any two distinct critical points, and also maximum distance is any two critical points. If there are fewer than two, just return -1, -1. Okay, so for example, 3, 1, 2 nodes, right? So -1, -1. For this one, you can see 1 is the minimum, and the 5 is the maximum, and 1 is the minimum. So the minimum distance is this, right? So index is just 1, and the maximum distance is 3, because 1 and 1. Okay. So the node value is not important once I know which point is critical. Okay. Also for this one, you can check it. Okay, because it has only has 2 nodes, right? So the minimum distance between 2 nodes and the maximum are the same. Okay, for this one, you don't have any critical point. Also, my idea is very simple, right? I just travel this list and view as a list, right? So I first create a L, and so this is the travel, right? So while head, if head is not still, then I append value and I change head next to head. Okay, so I will get a list like this. Okay. Then let's say n is a length L. If length is less or equal to 2, that means we only have 2 points. Then there's no way that there's no critical points. So I just return -1, -1. Okay, then I create an answer, and so I should say this is the list of the critical points. Let me just write down. So this is the list of the critical. I should say the index of the critical. Okay, so for I in range 1 -1, because I only care the possibilities only contains from 1 to -1. Okay, so Li minus less than Li -1 and Li less than Li +1. So this is the minimum. Okay, and then I just append the index, right? Because this is the local minimum, and then this is the local maximum. Okay, because the middle one greater than the previous one and the next one. Okay, and now I check how many critical points. If there's only 1 critical point or no critical points, then I return -1, -1. Okay, then I create a length answer, and I go through the array to find the minimum and maximum. So notice that the maximum is simple, right? Because the maximum is just the final critical points minus the first critical point. And the minimum first set to be infinity, and I calculate the distance, and I do the update minimum. Finally, I return the minimum and the maximum. Yeah, so up to here, then just very simple, just using the standard list trick. I think it's not very efficient, but still, I mean, it's linear time, right? And it's still should be still very fast. Okay, so see you guys next videos.